This is how we'll set up a new recipe on the CE15. Go to our menu, Setup, Recipe Edit. We are going to create a new recipe, add our name, and enter our values. We will show you change point 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7, which are required to adjust with every new case size. The other changeover points we are not showing are not necessary to change when we're moving to a new case size every time. If your case is close in size to your other cases, they can stay where they're at. Step 1, change point 1 will be measuring the flap length of our new case. This case is at 6 inches. We'll add the value right here. Change point 2 magazine overhead is set to our open depth. This case will be at 15.8. Our next change point, magazine width, will be our total knockdown length. This case is at 27.6. Change point 5, flight width, will be set to the width of our case. This case will be set at 12 inches. Change point 6, flight overhead height, will be set to the open depth of our new case. This case is going to be at 15.8. Change point 7, setup arm cup position, will be set to the width of the case. This case will be also set to 12 inches. Trailing cup height will also be set at our open depth. CE15 speed is set under recipe edit. We can change our speed to whatever we prefer. And after we save our recipe, the machine will go that speed. After we're all done setting up our new case, let's save our recipe. We'll go over to select our recipe that we just created. We'll go over to our changeover values that we just created, and now we can set up our machine. Our first change point, magazine deck height. This one's set to 6. Our second change point, magazine overhead, we have it set at 15.8. Change point 3, magazine width, is set at 27.6. Change point 5 is our flight width. This case is set at 12. Change point 6, flight overhead height, we have it set at 15.8. Change point 7, setup arm cup position, is set at 12.